Sannyas is the biggest change I am bringing to the world, making it as a mainstream lifestyle. You will see in a decade, every city in the world will have a monastery, a Hindu monastery, a Nityananda Sampradaya monastery. Every city in the world, because we have something great to offer to the world. We have something huge to offer to the world. The integrated Sanatana Hindu Dharma has something great to offer to the world. It is time human beings learn the science of completion. Human beings learn the science of Jivan Mukti. Human beings learn the science of living enlightenment. Understand, sannyas is going to be the greatest revival of integrated Sanatana Hindu Dharma's intelligence. This is the only way we are going to stop the suicide, drug and death. We are going to stop depression, destruction. Sannyas not only completes you, you become the instrument for the people to achieve completion, humanity to reach completion. Humanity should experience completion through you. You should become part of this great spiritual change. Remember this one statement. If you change after the change, you will survive. If you change along with the change, you will succeed. If you cause the change, you will be leading. If you decide you want to be a leader, now is the time. Be a cause for the whole world to experience completion. Be a cause for the universe to experience completion. Last 4 days I am continuously talking about sannyas. I think today is 4th day on sannyas. I tell you, so much stuck in my throat, so much to tell the world. Let the completion be a driving force in your life, not just adrenaline and testosterone. As on now, life is run by these two hormones, testosterone and adrenaline. Please be liberated from these two. Let the completion run your life. Let the completion be center of your life. Completion should be taught by living. I tell you, sannyas is the best lifestyle. You can teach completion to the world by living. By living, you can teach completion. I just feel there's a traffic jam in my throat. So many ideas want to come out. I'm looking at sannyas from so many angles. Angle of individual completion, social completion, universal completion, completion of the humanity, ultimately completion of the cosmos. I am looking at sannyas from so many angles, and I tell you, from every angle, this is the best lifestyle. From the time immemorial, all the great acharyas, all the great achievements. I'm just glancing the whole Indian history. I can see very clearly this color is the most bright, heroic color throughout the Indian history. The character of Bhishma in Mahabharata, in each epic, the character of Hanuman in Ramayana, they excel than any other heroes of the epics. Hanuman excels than Rama. I can be very bold about it. Bhishma excels than Krishna. I am very bold about it. That is why the only good thing we have is saffron color on the top of the Indian flag. That is why still this country is alive.